the 2021 school year. I'm Bobby Swayze, I'm your principal, and I want to show you around the school. But before I go in the building, I've got to put on my mask. Kids this year, make sure when you come in the building, you have on your mask. It's very important that you social distance, wash your hands, and this way you must use her gel. Clean your hands. Very good. That's how we keep our school healthy. Okay, so now that I have my temperature check, I can go into the building. So I'm going to walk you through the school. So parents, you'll know where your kids are going, and students, you can see our building. Come on through. As you can see, when your students enter, we'll have plenty of staff members to help them get to class. So you don't have to worry. We will walk them there and make sure they get there safely.
Hi parents, this is Miss Bailey, Assistant Principal at Piney Point Elementary School. Students continuing virtual learning for the second 6 weeks can interact with their teachers during short live lessons and ask questions and receive feedback from teachers during virtual office hours. During virtual instruction, students will maintain a similar schedule as they would during face-to-face instruction. The following tips can help your child be a successful learner. Find a quiet place for your child to work where you can still monitor them. Reduce distractions in your child's work area. Know the teacher expectations. For example, many teachers prefer that students' cameras are on. Blur the background or create a new background for your child when their camera is on. This will be less distracting for the other students. Make sure your child is participating and completing their work. Create an account on the parent portal of HISD Connect to stay up to date on your child's grades and attendance. Finally, reach out to your child's teacher for help. If you still need help, then call the main office.
Hi Panthers, this is Miss Lahana. I am the Title I contact and I am here to help in any way possible. Please see my email below. Buenas tardes, padres. Soy la señora Lahana. Soy especialista de maestro y contacto de título 1. Cualquier cosa que necesitan, estoy aquí para ayudar y apoyarlos. Favor de usar el correo electrónico abajo. Potential exposure school closure. If a student or staff member is potentially exposed, the following will occur. The school nurse will need to be notified immediately. She will report the exposure, suspect exposure, or confirmed positive COVID-19. She will contact the student's team or the employee to investigate and complete the COVID-19 case report. She will also identify areas in the building where the student and employee was so that they can be cleaned. If needed, parents will be contacted, students and staff to inform them of possible exposure. For more information, please see the link below. Exposición potencial, cierre de la escuela. Si un estudiante o miembro del personal está potencialmente expuesto, la enfermera de la escuela avisará inmediatamente para reportar exposición, sospecha o confirmación positiva de COVID-19. La enfermera de la escuela se comunicará con los estudiantes empleados para investigar y completar el informe del caso. Identificará áreas donde el estudiante o empleado ha estado para la limpieza. Para más información, favor de ver el enlace.